Now, you remember the pottery scene in Ghost? Well, it's about to be reenacted, sort of, in the brand new Dating in the Dark, and you can get stuck in yourself online right now.
3 guys and 3 girls, all looking for love.
I'm ready to commit to somebody.
Looks obviously do come into it.
But with a unique twist.
This is actually darker than if you close your eyes.
This is ridiculous.
Can you hear me?
They will date each other in complete darkness to find out if true love really is blind.
Let's not be afraid to get dirty, OK?
This is what they see, and this is what we see. After a series of dates,
I could sit here and talk to you all day.
Same here.
they will choose one dater to see in the light as looks are revealed for the very first time. Will 10 seconds of light destroy days of chemistry and bonding?
What if I've been kissing Sideshow Bob?
They must then ultimately decide whether to meet face to face or walk away, as we find out just how much looks really matter.
At the end of the day, there's still two runners in the race, so she can only choose one.
It's day 1 of the dating experiment, and here on the lookout for love are the 6 daters. First to arrive are the boys.
My name's Eddie, 22, from Manchester, and I work in retail. Kind of girls I'd usually go for on a night out would be the more obviously attractive girls. Very nice. But it hasn't worked for me because I'm still single.
My name's Ryan. I'm 25. I come from a little town in South Wales called Port Talbot. I'm ready to commit to somebody. I'm fed up of messing about and running around chasing people. I just want to find somebody I can connect with and connect with them.
Hello, bud.
Hi, mate.
I'm Danny, I'm 27 years old from Leicester. My dating career is disastrous, really. Looks are very important. Right. Danny?
Hi, Eddie, nice to meet you, mate.
Danny? I don't think you can go in town with a girl on your arm and it looks like a horse.
Next to enter are the girls.
My name's Ellie, I'm 24 and I live in Hackney. Looks-wise, I tend to go for guys that shave their heads. But I have been out with guys who have hair as well. It's not like I have an aversion to people with hair.
I'm Melissa, I'm 21 and I'm from Birmingham. For me, in terms of personality, obviously that's a major factor. Looks obviously do come into it.
How are you?
I'm good, thank you. My name's Melissa. But looks aren't everything. I know some of the prettiest boys in the world. You ask them to have a conversation, just like, what?
My name's Gemma. I live in Romford, Essex, and I'm 21 years old. I think you look at me and you kind of see hair, boobs, nails, but then you talk to me and it's a bit like, oh, she's actually got a proper job and she's actually kind of knows what she wants in life. I don't know, what have I got myself in for?
For the next few days, the male and female daters will live in separate apartments, only ever meeting for dates in the dark.
I'm not being single anymore. Cheers, boys.
Cheers.
It's now time for the daters to meet. The group date will help them decide who to choose for the first round of dating. They are about to enter the specially designed pitch black dark room.
Right, go on, put your hands on my shoulders.
Right, I've got him.
Danny, have you got...
I'm holding onto his dreadlocks.
I led the way in because they probably thought I'd be able to take the pain. Ow.
This is actually darker than if you close your eyes. It's just black.
With the boys ready, it's time for the girls.
Oh my God, I don't actually... Right.
Made it!
Do you want to introduce yourselves?
I'm Gemma, I'm from Romford, Essex. I work as an events manager and I want someone who kind of calms me down a bit because I talk for England.
Romford girls love a waffle.
Love a waffle.
From Gemma's voice, I think she's quite loud like me.
My name's Ryan. I'm a drummer.
You're a drummer?
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
I've got a bit of a thing for big boobs.
Ryan, he said that he's a drummer, so my image of that is his grungy kind of check shirt, skinny jeans. I think that kind of look for him. I'm Melissa, I'm 21. I am a psychology student and a part-time model.
Ooh, okay.
You had to put that in, didn't you? I'm Ellie, I'm 24 and and I'm working in marketing at the moment.
Marketing, nice.
Yeah.
Well, I'm Danny, I'm 27, from Leicester.
Cool. Dan, I picture him as one of them guys you'd go, yeah, he's a good-looking guy, but I think he probably knows it a bit.
I'm Eddie, I'm 22, from Manchester. I work in retail.
Do you work in fashion retail or do you work in some other
Fashion retail.
Fashion. Oh, okay.
I think I could tell from Eddie's voice that he might be a little bit more manly.
What kind of guys are you looking for?
I like tall guys, you know?
Well, Ellie said that she liked tall guys, obviously that was to my great delight. Hair, important thing for you girls.
I like a nice chest. I like a hairy chest. And I was like, yep, me.
Yeah.
I really
Who said
do.
that?
Me.
One of my questions I asked the girls were, what would they rate themselves out of 20?
Oh, I don't know, 10?
Is that average?
Yeah.
Okay.
Either she's pretty and she doesn't know it, or she's not that pretty, but she's not ugly either, and she's got a good personality. So it's working well both ways for that.
Probably about 14.
I found her intrigued because I can't picture her at all.
Remind me, the one in the middle, I've forgotten your name.
Melissa.
Melissa, you've been very quiet.
At one point, one of the guys was like, oh, Melissa, you're a bit quiet kind of thing. I think it's just because compared to, say, someone like Gemma who's very outspoken, I might have looked like I wasn't really saying that much. What have I said? It's going to sound really arrogant.
I don't think it's arrogant.
17.
Melissa
Bye.
came across as a bit too quiet for me.
Is anyone swaying towards anyone already?
I haven't quite made up my mind yet. I get a sense that Eddie is competitive.
Ryan could be a bit shy, I think.
I've got the one. I know which one it is. But I'm just doing it on a voice. Ellie.
Yeah.
I'm saying Ellie.
I'm hoping she's going to be quite tall, blonde, good figure to match the voice, because everything she said was perfect, like ticking all the boxes.
Daters must now embark on their first round of dates. There will be 3 rounds of dating in total before they choose which person they want to see revealed in the light. Email invites are sent to the opposite apartments. The daters can go on more than one date to find that all-important spark.
I would love to get to know you a bit better on a date, Eddie.
First up, Eddie and Ellie have both invited each other on a date.
So you've been single for...
Too long, 2.5 years. Whereas
why?
It just hasn't worked out. Most of the time, the just personality stinks.
Is that your leg?
Yeah, I'm really tall. I'm 6'6".
Me! He is obviously quite tall, and I like that. That's good. Can I have a little feel?
Touch me up, yeah, if you want. It was quite touchy-feely, really, more than I thought it would be. Go on, Ellie.
Right.
Go on, a bit higher, higher. There you go.
Oh, that's nice. I like that. I did manage to get quite a good feel, so...
If you'd like to, I'd love to have another chat with you some other time.
Well, you never know.
You never know. Oh, playing it cool. She, which I liked, she said, oh, yeah, maybe, because she kept me on my toes, which is great. She didn't go, yeah. So that's already a really good positive. Bye, Ellie.
Bye! On a scale of 1 to 10, how much would I like to see Eddie again? I'd say a good 7.5, 8, I think. Yeah.
Next, Danny has decided he would like to date Gemma.
I hate this.
Gemma, touch me.
Hello, I don't know where you
The
are.
reason I chose her was that she was so loud and bubbly. Can I have a feel?
That's my hand.
Oh, they're a bit small, aren't they?
Little hand, but I've got really
Whoa.
long nails. they're good for tickling. They're good.
What hair you got?
I've got hair here.
Is it long? She had nice shoulder-length hair, petite as well. That's definitely the type of girl I go for.
What's something you love in a girl's quality? Like, it could be looks-wise.
It's got to be a girl who don't take herself seriously, and because I just can't be asked to argue, you know what I mean?
Yeah, a nice, peaceful, stressful,
Yeah.
stress-free life. Even though we were talking, he was saying, like, personality is important, I still get the impression looks are a really big thing for him, and I just don't know if I would be his type. It's so hard to meet someone that you can hold a conversation with. I could sit here and talk to you all day.
Same here.
I could just waffle, as you probably do, I tend to anyway.
Waffling's good, man.
Yeah.
I'd like to see her again, definitely. Right, give us a kiss.
Hang on,
cheek,
right.
just on the cheek. Hopefully, when it's revealed, she'll be a bit of a looker.
Melissa has chosen Eddie for her first date.
The impression that I got from him was that, yeah, he seems very genuine, very sincere.
How come you've come to do this? What's the motives behind it?
I think my major issue is I just don't trust guys in general, do you know what I mean? I always think that they've got, like, a hidden agenda type of thing.
Yeah. You're obviously very confident in yourself, but you're quite quiet when you're on there.
Yeah, I think with me, I can come across, I think I can be a bit shy.
The conversation wasn't dragging, but it was a bit... Right, OK, well, I'll just go through the routine and when time's up, time's up.
What are your reasons for actually being here?
I suppose I just haven't